Hello there! Here is our overview of Mission 2, Lesson 2. Our student objective for this lesson is to express metric mass measurements in terms of a smaller unit. Model and solve addition and subtraction word problems involving metric mass. Okay. This objective is very similar to the objective from Lesson 1. The one difference is in Lesson 1, we were expressing metric length measurements. We were dealing with meters, kilometers, centimeters. And those were all dealing with length because those measure how long something is. Today, we're just changing out the word length for mass. Mass. So we're expressing metric mass measurements in terms of a smaller unit. So what does mass mean? If length measures how long something is, mass measures how much something weighs, how heavy something is.
Bus 7 is here. If you
Bus
ride
7's
bus
here.
7, it's here.
Bus 7's here, by the way. You're going to have to ignore those. I'm sorry. I apologize for that if they're calling buses while I'm recording this video. So mass measures how much something weighs, the weight of something. All right. So our main ones that we are using to measure weight are grams and kilograms. Grams is represented by the letter G. So if you see a G, that means grams. And kilograms is represented by kg. So that's short for kilograms. Okay, now if we think back to the previous lesson, we were dealing with meters and kilometers. And notice we have this prefix kilo that shows up again. Okay, just like it did with kilometers. And do you remember how many meters it took to make 1 kilometer? It took 1,000 meters to make 1 kilometer. This prefix kilo means 1,000. So in this case, if we have 1 kilogram, how many grams is that going to equal? Well, kilo means 1,000. It means 1,000. 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So which weighs more, a kilogram or a gram? A kilogram weighs more because 1 kilogram has 1,000 grams in it. Okay, so a kilogram weighs more than a gram. So what are some things that we can be like, okay, well, what's that equivalent to in real life? Okay, if we look here, a gram, 1 gram is equal to around the weight of a paperclip. So a standard size paperclip is going to be around 1 gram. So real light. A kilogram is going to be around the weight of a pineapple. So again, if we had 1,000 of those grams to make up 1 kilogram, around the weight of a pineapple. You know, it's not too heavy. You can still pick it up, but it will have some weight to it, but it is a little more. So anything around there, a small puppy might be around a kilogram as well, something in that range. It has some weight, but it's not too heavy. So, and again, I have here 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So let's finish this conversion chart here. So kilograms on this side, grams on this side. If I have 3 kilograms, how many grams is that going to be? Well, if 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams, then 3 kilograms is going to equal 3,000 grams. Okay. And then, now I'm given grams. So if I have 6,000 grams, how many kilograms is that going to be? Again, there's 1,000 of those grams in 1 kilogram. So if I have 6,000 grams, that's going to be 6 kilograms. So notice how really what I'm doing, if I just replace kilogram with the unit 1,000, it gives me right set. So 3 kilograms, just say instead of kilograms, just say thousands. 3 thousandths, 6 thousandths. Okay, so here, if I have 12 kilograms, well, that's going to be 12. Say it with me. Thousands. Yeah, there you go. I heard you. 12 thousandths. So 12,000 grams. And if I can do it in reverse too. If I have 15,000 grams, well, again, just replace thousands with kilogram. So instead of 15,000 grams, I have 15 kilograms. Oh, here comes another bus.
And I see 13 rolling in. Bus 13's pulling up.
There we go. Bus 13. Okay, so 15 kilograms would equal 15,000 grams. It's just that simple conversion today of 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. So again, what weighs more? A kilogram is more than a gram, right? Because it takes 1,000 grams to make 1 kilogram. Now, then we might be given a problem and asked to solve it. So in this case, we might be given 3 kilograms minus 270 grams. So let's erase this. Be gone. Actually, hey, watch this. I want to make it magically disappear. And magic, it's gone. Yes, I decided not to have you. I just decided I could pause it while I erase so you didn't have to watch it all. But now I'm talking about doing, so I'm wasting your time just the same. You're welcome. All right. So again, if I look at this problem, 3 kilograms minus 270 grams. So let's go here. 3 kilograms minus 270 grams. Well, I can't solve that right now because I have different units. Kilograms are different than grams. So what I want to do before I solve it is just convert those kilograms into grams. So if I have 3 kilograms, before I can solve it, I just have to convert it to grams. So how many grams is 3 kilograms worth? Well, 3,000. 3,000 grams. Right? So now I can solve it. And that's just subtraction right there. 3,000 grams minus 270 grams. And can I do 0 minus 0? Yes, I can. Can I do 0 minus 7? No, I can't. I have to borrow. Whoop. I can't borrow from that 0. I have to go all the way to my thousands place. So I'm borrowing from that 3. Actually, let me change color here. Okay, so I'm borrowing from that 3. That 3 becomes a 2. This 0 now becomes a 10. And then I can borrow from that 10, so it becomes a 9. And that 0 becomes a 10. It's just standard subtraction. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 2 minus 0 or nothing is 2. So 2,730 grams would be our solution, our difference here. Okay, so you're just going to be asked to maybe add or subtract again in this, but you'll just need to be able to convert the kilograms to grams or vice versa. And as always, if you have any questions, let me or your teacher